Okay, I want to go through the second part of lesson 2.6 with you on multiplying and solving equations, but the equations are division equations. They have a fraction in them rather than just a number multiplied by the variable. And so in the second type of equation, you'll have a variable on top of a number. Okay, like 1b over 8. In this case, since this is 1b, it really gives us the number 1/8. And 1/8 then is the coefficient of b. So to find the reciprocal, you find that 1/8 and then you flip it over and it becomes 8 over 1. The reciprocal of 1/8 is 8 over 1. So how does that help us? The reciprocal of a fraction is the fraction flipped over. And we're going to use the reciprocal, 8 over 1, to solve this. Look at this example. 1 over 8, or 1/8 times b, equals -3. Now, in order to get rid of 1/8, you have to multiply by the reciprocal of 1/8, which is 8 over 1. When you multiply those, you end up crossing out the 8s. You can cross these 8s out because you can factor out 8 and 8. This is just 1 and 1 now. We got 1b. Any number divided by itself is 1. So we cross out these 8s and then multiply by the same thing on the other side. Multiply by 8 over 1. Since this was -3, we multiply that by 8, you get -24. So this proves that b is equal to -24. Okay? Let's go to another example. S over 6 equals 54. Okay? Now, what that means is 1/6 s, since this is 1s, 1/6 s equals 54, and the coefficient is 1/6. That means the reciprocal is 6 over 1. And that's what we're going to multiply by. Multiply this by 6 over 1 and cross out the 6's. That leaves 1s. Then multiply this side by 6 over 1. 6 over 1 times 54 is 324. That gives us a solution. S equals 324. Alright? Let's go to our book, page 96, number 21 is part of your assignment. Page 21, or number 21 is 6 equals a over 7. 6 equals a over 7. So if you're doing this problem, you write that down and then think, this is 1a over 7. That makes the coefficient 1/7, and then multiply by 7 over 1, the reciprocal of 1/7, in order to get a by itself. Bring down the a, and multiply by the same number on this side of the equation. Multiply by 7 over 1. 6 over 1 times 7 over 1, or just 6 times 7, is 42. So that proves that a is 42. Alright, I'm going to do some more practice problems next.